Your Bay East membership includes many benefits such as computer repair, education, networking opportunities, and more. We also provide you with special offers and savings on products and services you need most. Let's explore some of the benefits you might not be familiar with. Finding affordable health insurance is a challenge for many self-employed agents. Bay East offers competitive rates on health insurance plans through Austin & Austin Insurance, the Benefits Store, and the Holman Group. Speaking of the Holman Group, this member assistant program is designed to help you navigate the everyday stressors of life, such as depression, family conflicts, financial challenges, and legal trouble, just to name a few. Members and their family have access to confidential counseling, behavioral and mental health care plans, legal referrals, gym membership, and more. Within the Holman Group, you also have access to Tickets at Work, the leading corporate entertainment benefits provider. They offer special discounts to top attractions, theme parks, sporting events, movie tickets, and hotels. Use this information to log on to the Holman Group website. Bay East members also belong to and receive the benefits of the National Association of Realtors and the California Association of Realtors. NAR offers discounts on personal insurance, travel, marketing resources, transaction management, technology services, and education tools. CAR offers special savings on unique tools that make your life easier, such as mileage trackers, virtual assistants, payroll solutions, and more. Information about all these cost-saving benefits can be found on the resources page of our website. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Member Services for additional information at 925-730-4060.